How to fix 5M exit code 506 failure connecting to the Rockstar Games Launcher. First step, completely close 5M and Rockstar Games Launcher. Restart your device. Once restore complete, after move on with next step. Right click Rockstar Games Launcher, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. Once complete, after next step, click Settings, click Network and Internet Settings, click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset and click Reset now. Click Yes and Reset. Once the reset complete, after next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled, means you can enable it. If the application itself not having, means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click it. Click Browse. For easy method, you can come outside, right click the application, click Open File Location, copy the address in the top side, come back, paste the address. You can easily get the application, click it and click Add in the bottom side. Once adding, after you need to enable both private and public and click OK in the bottom side. Next step, open Run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Type it and click OK. Search for Rockstar Games folder, click it and click Launcher folder. Look for caches. If caches available, means remove it. Once removing, after close it, then move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click Run as administrator and type the following text: ipconfig space /+ DNS. Type it and click OK. Next step, netsh space winsock space reset. And the next command, exit it. Once exit, after restart the device. Thank you.